everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel UK Desi Vlogger. Today we are diving into a really exciting topic, that is how to actually start dropshipping in 2026. Whether you are completely new to online business or you have been thinking about starting your own store, this video will break it down step by step with the latest strategies and tools you need for the coming year. So grab a notebook and let's get started. So let's start from the introduction. Dropshipping has been around for years, but in 2026 it is evolving faster than ever. With new tools, smarter automation, and global suppliers becoming more reliable, starting a dropshipping business has never been more accessible. So the best part, you don't need to hold any inventory or spend thousand upfront. All you need is the right strategy, a laptop and a willingness to learn. So in this video, we will break down exactly how you can start dropshipping in 2026 step by step, from choosing the right niche to setting up your store, finding trusted suppliers, and marketing your product the smart way. It's a time of talk about why start dropshipping in 2026. Dropshipping remains one of the most attractive online business model in 2026 because it requires very little upfront investment and offer flexibility. So, unlike traditional retails, you don't need to buy any product in bulk or worry about storage. That is, suppliers handle shipping for you. Lower risk. You only pay for product after you make a sale. Global opportunity with faster shipping options and better supplier networks. You can sell worldwide without worrying about logistics. Global opportunity with faster shipping options and better supplier network, you can sell worldwide without worrying about logistics. Automation tools. New AI powered apps in 2026 can handle product research, targeting, and even customer support, making it easier to run your business part time or full time. Finding a right niche. Choosing a profitable niche is the foundation of a successful dropshipping store. In 2026, competition is very higher, but so are opportunities if you focus on the right audience. Look for demand, not just trends. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok, and product research platforms to find item, people, and consistently searching for solve a problem, product that make life easier, save time, or improve health, often perform well, target passionate audience, Nike communities spend more on product they care about. Avoid oversaturated items. If everyone is selling it, margin will be low. Instead, look for unique or improved version of trending product. Choosing a supplier. Your supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. A good supplier means happy customer and repeat sales, while a bad one can ruin your reputation. Check reliability. Look for suppliers with fast shipping times, 5 to 10 days if possible, and positive reviews. Use trusted platforms in 2026. Sites like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and private agents are popular choices. Some even integrate directly with Shopify or WooCommerce. Test before selling. Order samples to check product quality, packaging, and delivery time before adding them to your store. Request product samples to evaluate quality, packaging, and shipping speed before listing them in your store. Or communication matters. A responsive supplier who answers quickly is worth more than one offering slightly lower prices. Now it's a time of talk about setting up your store. Once you have chosen your Nike and supplier, the next step is to build your online store. In 2026, platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even newer no-code builders make this process simple. Shopify is still the most beginner-friendly, offering built-in themes, easy integration, and powerful apps for automation. WooCommerce is great if you prefer full control and already use WordPress. When setting up, focus on a clean, professional design that will trust with customers. Make sure your product pages have high quality images, clear description, and highlight benefit, not just features. Branding is a key. A unique logo, consistent color scheme, and a user friendly layout will help your store stand out. Payment gateways and legal setup. To start accepting payments, you need to connect secure payment gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments. These allow customers worldwide to pay easily while protecting both you and them from fraud. Alongside payments, it is important to handle the legal side of your business. In 2026, many countries make it easy to register a small online business or even as a code trader. Having a registered business builds trust with customers and payment providers. Don't forget to set up policies for shipping, refunds, and privacy. They show professionalism and protect you legally. Taxes also matter. Learn about VAT, sales tax, or GST depending on your target market. Marketing your store. No matter how good your store looks, it won't succeed without customers. That is where marketing comes in. In 2026, the most effective strategies include social media advertising, influencer marketing, and content marketing. TikTok and Instagram Reels are especially powerful for showcasing product through videos. You can also use influencers to promote your items directly to their audience, giving your brand instant credibility at the same time. Don't ignore long term methods like SEO and blogging, which brings the organic traffic over time. Paid ads help you test product quickly while organic methods build stability. The key is to start small but multiple marketing angles and then scale the ones that bring the best result. Order fulfillment and customer service. Once sales start coming in, your supplier will handle shipping. But you need to stay on the top of order tracking and customer updates. Use automation tools to sign order and provide customer with tracking numbers. Good customer service, like replying quickly to questions and handling refund smoothly, build trust and keep buyer coming back. Now it's a time of talk about that we should avoid the common mistakes. Beginners often fail by choosing the wrong night, relying on one supplier, or not testing product before selling. Another big mistake is expecting overnight success. Dropshipping takes patience and consistency. Avoid running ads without tracking result and always focus on customer experience, not just quick sales. Conclusion is here. Dropshipping in 2026 is still a powerful way to start an online business with low risk, but success comes from strategy, persistence, and smart execution. Start small, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. If you stay consistent, dropshipping can turn into a long term business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the UK Desi Vlogger for more tips on online business and lifestyle. Goodbye.